Welcome dear student. Now course name is Determinant of Quality of Life. And now today we will going to discuss the important determinant of quality of life, that is the peace. Our now study today is concept and knowledge of peace, harmony with nature and people. Module content include introduction of peace and harmony, peace and harmony with nature, peace and harmony among people, integrating peace and harmony with nature and people, key takeaway and learning outcomes. Learning objectives. The session aims to explore the philosophical, environmental and sociological dimension of peace and how harmony with nature and people can lead to sustainable living, social stability and a healthiest planet. For this, understand the core concept of peace and harmony in various contexts, that is philosophical, environmental and social. And second is analyze the importance of establishing peace both in nature and among peoples. Discuss strategies to foster peace and harmony at individual, community and global level. Reflect on how peace with nature and people can contribute to sustainable development. Introduction to peace and harmony. First of all, definition of peace. Peace can be defined in several ways, including negative peace. What do you mean by negative peace? Negative peace is the absence of war, absence of violence and absence of conflicts. Positive peace, the presence of justice, presence of equity and presence of respect for human rights. Inner peace, a state of mental and emotional calm and harmony within an individual. Introduction to peace and harmony. Continue with this historical context. Peace in ancient philosophies, example the Greek concept of Irene and Buddhist notion is Shanti. The role of peace in global governance and human rights movements, example the United Nations and UN peacekeeping. Definition of harmony. Harmony refers to arrangement of element in a way that creates balance and unity. Social harmony, the peaceful coexistence of individuals and groups within society. Environmental harmony, the relationship between human and nature, where both are respected and protected. Cultural harmony, recognition and appreciation of cultural diversity within societies, leading to mutual respects. The interconnection between peace and harmony. Peace cannot exist without harmony. The true harmony requires peace. Both concepts work together to promote stability, well-being and sustainable living. Peace and harmony with nature. The concept of harmony with nature is human-nature relationship, a balanced and respectful interaction where humans recognize their dependence on nature for survival and well-being. Next is philosophical perspectives. Covered deep ecology, a perspective that emphasizes the intrinsic values of nature beyond its utility of humans. Next is biocentrism and ecocentrism, ethical frameworks that place equal importance on all living beings and ecosystem. Next one is ecological sustainability, the importance of maintaining biodiversity, reducing carbon emissions, and preserving natural resources to ensure the future generation can live harmoniously with the earth. The importance of peace with nature. First of all, environmental justice, ensuring that all communities have access to a healthy environment and that the burden of environmental degradation does not disproportionately fall on marginalized groups. Climate changes and sustainability. How addressing global environmental issues such as climate change, pollution, and deforestation is essential for achieving peace with nature. Next one is indigenous knowledge. Indigenous communities around the world often live in harmony with nature, using traditional ecological knowledge to sustain their environments. This knowledge can serve as model of environmental peace. The role of environmental peace building, conflict prevention, and natural resources. In many parts of the world, competitions for natural resources like water, land, and minerals can lead to conflicts. By promoting shared stewardships of resources, peace can be cultivated. Examples of environmental peace building: rivers as shared resources, the management of transboundary water bodies like the Nile River through diplomacy to avoid conflict. Peace through ecotourism. How ecotourism can help local communities to protect their environment while generating income and fostering peace. Peace and harmony among peoples. The role of the importance of social harmony. Social peace. The absence of conflict in human societies where people live with respect for each other's rights, freedoms, and dignity. Equity and justice, ensuring that all people have equal access to resources, opportunities, and the protection of their rights. Cultural diversity and inclusion, promoting peace by recognizing and respecting diverse cultures and identities within a society. Now discuss about conflict resolution and peace building. Non-violent communication, a strategy for resolving conflicts through empathy and understanding, focusing on needs and feelings of individual involved. Meditation and dialogue, not engaging in constructive dialogue to resolve conflict at local, national, and global levels. Prevent from the debate. Building trust and cooperation. Strengthening relationship through transparency, accountability, and shared goals. Harmony in communities. Community engagement. How local initiatives can foster peace and harmony, including community gardens, neighborhood dialogues, and cooperative business. Social cohesion. encouraging a sense of shared responsibility and solidarity among individuals, communities, and nations to work together for common goals. Human right and peace, ensuring that the dignity, freedom, and right for all individuals are upheld to foster peaceful coexistence, integrating peace and harmony with both nature and peoples. Sustainable development as the path of peace. First of all, the role of Sustainable Development Goal SDGs. How the UN SDGs, especially Goal 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions, promote peaceful, just, and inclusive societies while encouraging environmental sustainability. The link between human right and environmental sustainability. Peace with nature is inseparable from social peace, as both require justice and equality. The fair distribution of resources is essential for maintaining peace. Collective responsibility, that is the global citizenship, understanding the individual have a responsibility to the planet and each other. Ecological footprint, promoting a lifestyle that minimized harm to the environment, such as reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting sustainable business. Next is future vision for global peace and harmony. How educational program and community effort can inspire global movement for peace and sustainability. The role of the next generation in fostering a culture of peace and environmental stewardship, creating a legacy of harmony for future generations. Key takeaways. Peace and harmony are interconnected concepts that extend beyond the absence of conflicts to include justice, equality, and respect for nature. Sustainable peace requires balancing the needs of people with those of the environment, recognizing the interdependence between human societies and natural systems. Individuals and communities can foster peace through understanding, dialogue, and sustainable practices. Learning outcomes. Students will understand the significance of peace and harmony in environmental sustainability and social justice after completion of this module. Students will be able to apply the concept of peace building and environmental harmony to real world issues, and also students will reflect on their role in promoting peace at both the local and global level. Thank you.